Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish your baby, but it doesn't always happen easily or on a perfect schedule. That's where a breast pump can help. A breast pump allows mothers to express milk safely and comfortably, giving flexibility while continuing to provide the benefits of breast milk. Whether you're returning to work, sharing feeding duties, or simply building a milk supply, pumping can support your breastfeeding journey. Using a breast pump helps maintain milk production, relieve fullness, and ensure your baby still receives essential nutrients, even when you're apart. With today's modern pumps, mothers can pump efficiently, quietly, and comfortably. Remember, breastfeeding doesn't have to be all or nothing. A breast pump is not a replacement, but a helpful tool to support you and your baby every step of the way.